Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check blocked numbers on your iPhone. But before I start the video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your settings, and from here you want to scroll down until you see phone or messages. You can click on either of it, you will get the same options. So let's click on phone. And if you scroll down, you will see blocked contacts. If you click on that, here you will see all of the blocked contacts that you have blocked. If you want to remove some, you can just click on edit and remove them that way, or you don't have to remove them, that's why you block them. And that's pretty much it. If you go to the messages, same thing, you would scroll down until you see blocked contacts, and it's the same thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below.